Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous lectures, we learned about arrays, which are also known as single-dimension arrays. But arrays can have any number of dimensions. The multi-dimensional array can be declared by adding commas in the square brackets. For example, when a single comma is placed inside square brackets, it declares a two-dimensional array. Similarly, when two commas are used, it indicates a three-dimensional array, and so on. Okay, 2D arrays are the most common multi-dimensional arrays. By using it, we can store data as a table with rows and columns. For example, here, we have an array that has 4 elements, and each of these elements is an array that has 3 elements. As you can see, we store a table's data in an array. This table has 4 rows and 3 columns. The first rank denotes the number of rows, and the second rank defines the number of columns. Alright, we can access each element by the index number of row and column like this. For instance, this statement accesses the value of the element in the third row and second column of the array. As you can see, it returns 8. Also, we can update each of these elements by assigning a value to them, like this example. Okay, here, we can easily loop through the elements of a multi-dimensional array with a for each loop. As you can see, all elements are printed one by one. Alright, we can also use a for loop to iterate over multi-dimensional arrays. In order to do this, we need one loop for each of the array's dimensions. For example, here, we have a 2 dimensions array, so we need 2 for loop. Okay, as you can see, we have to use the getLength method instead of the length property to specify how many times the loop should iterate. As expected, the for loop produces the same result as the for each loop. Okay, done. See you soon in the next lecture.